Welcome to part 2 of the Green Book. The Get Right. Victor Green perfectly predicted in a passage written for the 1948 edition that, and I quote, "There will be a day in the near future when this guide will not have to be published. That is when we as a race will have equal opportunities and privileges in the United States." Now, true enough, with the creation of the National Highway System in 1954 and the passage of the Civil Rights Act in 1964, little use remains for publications like the Negro Motorist Green Book, as African Americans were now able to just bypass the same racist towns. So when the Shirley family reaches out to say that they're not happy with how Dr. Don Shirley and his experiences are told in the Green Book, I'm inclined to hear them out, especially since it's public knowledge that the Shirley family was not contacted about the film until after it was completed, which in effect removed their opportunity to even consult. They contend that Dr. Shirley wasn't estranged from his family, and that he and Tony Lip weren't quote-unquote friends per se, but had more of a work relationship, which showed that at a time where racism was openly shown, Dr. Shirley wasn't afraid to employ someone that was different from himself. Most importantly, not having the ability to consult removed their ability to say that Dr. Shirley had clearly eaten fried chicken before Tony Lip, and that he wasn't an outcast from the black community. Now listen, one of the reasons we do what we do is because history is often lost in translation, whether accidentally or intentionally. The ruling class often dictates what we see and hear. So while I'm not taking sides, I feel that it's important to represent what the Shirley family is advocating. True enough, in every conflict, there's one side, there's another side, and then there's the truth. But bottom line, the Green Book was an invaluable resource for African Americans in a time where they literally took their lives into their own hands when they traveled. And even if the movie doesn't get it completely right, a little bit of sunshine is always helpful. Hey, we'd love to hear what your thoughts are on the Green Book. And if you missed part 1, please be sure to go back and catch it. Don't hesitate to leave us a comment below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for the real on history, inspiring stories, shorts, and content. Be sure to check us out for news from the Get Right and the Cypher. This is CK signing out.